friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to SciTech Guru. In this video, I'm going to compare the antutu benchmark between the Poco X2, Redmi Note 8 Pro and the Redmi Note 9 Pro. So all the three phones are having different kind of processor, friends. So that's why I decided to compare all the three phones at same time antutu benchmark test. And if you're watching first time this channel, friends, subscribe to my channel SciTech Guru, and also to check the links in description, friends, for what wallpapers I'm using, so which can fit exactly with the front camera of the all the three phones, as you can see, friends, which is very suitable for the dual cameras and even for the punch hole and notch phones. So nowadays most of the phones comes with the notch phones, so there are plenty of applications, and out of that I did plenty of wallpaper reviews, friends. So do check the links in description for the wallpaper playlist, so which will be very interesting, friends, for you all to have this kind of cool looking wallpapers. And let's get started with the antutu benchmark test, and let me try to open the antutu benchmark application in all the phones at present. And I'm using the latest antutu benchmark version, friends, at the moment. So let me try to zoom in, friends. So as you can see, all the three phones are running with the antutu benchmark 8.3 3.4, as you can see clearly. And now let me try to start the antutu benchmark at same time in all the phones. So as you can see, friends, finally all the three phones got started at same time. So now let's see which phone will score more antutu benchmark results, friends, out of all of these three phones. So overall, in my previous test, the MediaTek Helio G90 beats most of the phones, friends, but Kirin 810 is more powerful, which is present in the Honor 9X device. So I did plenty of videos on the Kirin 810 processor as well, friends, in the Honor 9X phone. But at the moment, we can take a look at all of these three smartphones. And let's subscribe to my channel, friends, and be support to me. And if you want any queries regarding the smartphone, you can message me in the Instagram, friends. So there is a link in description, so where you can find my Instagram profile, and you can message me in the Instagram, and I'll be replying to you, friends, definitely. So again, I'll be back once the test has been completed, so then we can take a look at all of the three phones in terms of benchmark results. So as you can see, friends, finally the results are over in all the three of the phones, and you can find the Snapdragon 730 and the Helio G90 processor in the Redmi Note 8 Pro are pretty close to each other, as you can see, friends. And one more thing, the interesting thing is that in the Redmi Note 9 Pro, there is only drain of 1% in the battery, friends, so throughout the test, so which you noticed, as you can see. So even there is only increase of 1.2 degrees Celsius, so that's it, there is not that much increased, so 1% drain. So that is in the Redmi Note 9 Pro. And the Redmi Note 8 Pro, let's check how much is the difference. So 4% there is an increase in the temperature, and 4% drop in the battery percentage, friends. And in the Poco X2, so let's check the temperature. As you can see, 3.6 degrees Celsius and 3% drop. So overall, friends, in terms of the heating, the Redmi Note 9 Pro did pretty good, next Poco X2 and next Redmi Note 8 Pro. So this is overall antutu benchmark comparison, friends, side by side. And for more videos, subscribe to my channel SciTech Guru, and see you in the next video, friends. Don't forget to check the playlist for individual smartphones, so where you can find plenty of videos on each device, friends. So that's it for this video. Until then, bye.